In this video, we'll be installing UL67 US service entrance barriers on an NF 400 amp panel board with an LA main breaker. The kit consists of two parts: a small barrier that goes on the bottom and a larger barrier that covers from the top. We'll install the small barrier first. The small barrier has two tabs on the back. Those go towards the breaker. There are slots in the mounting pan. There's an oblong hole closest to me. This is the hole that we'll engage in first. We'll rotate the barrier down and snap it into place. The larger barrier has two tabs on the front. Those engage in the two holes just in front of the lower barrier. Rotate it back and you snap it into place. There are removable knockouts in the front of the barrier that are sized for the cables that you're going to use for your application.